welcome back. Today I'm going to give you a little bit of a tour around the garden. This is going to be the last day you will see the garden like this. As you all know, the next time you see us, maybe on this video, maybe not, will be very expensive polytunnel sitting here. So today we're going to get some of these buds up. Polytunnel is coming right up to here. These are overhanging the path a little bit. The lads are going to be working here a lot tomorrow, so we're going to clear a little bit of that. So we're going to do a bit of a Casablanca 2026 potato harvest. We've already had a few from the top. Absolutely stunning. So went to the chip shop last week. Chips. We've been getting frozen chips moistened. Absolutely terrible, guys. So I think have the wife cooking some chips here. I did, huh? So anyway, we'll start down here. These were planted on the 22nd of March. As you can see, they're all lying flat now, most of them. So, time to get some of them out. Some weed there. Start here. This ground's probably going to be harder than Mike Tyson. Just nearly caught us. We're not really using a lot of potatoes at the minute, so we don't want to take too many of these up.
Just as and when we need them.
Got all these daft little ones out as well. There's about to be 100 more down there. Right. Let's just have one potato in, all of them out. So this one. It's going to be a good one. A good one, guys. So yeah, we've got the KSB boys coming tomorrow. We've been waiting a while for this day to come. Lovely, lovely spuds.
No doubt when we dig it over we'll find ones that we've left.
Oh, look at tons, because they were kind of deep, weren't they?
Yeah.
And there's a third. Oh no! Only one place for that, guys. Gorgeous potatoes though. There's not a mark on them. Another mark on them. This bed here, we did give it a very, very good mucking last year. This year, our manure
Supply's gone.
Don't know what we're going to do about that.
Yep.
That's a 3. I think we're just going to do one row for now.
One row, that'll be enough, definitely. There's another 3 plants there, is there? 2?
2 maybe.
Oh yeah, because we planted 6, didn't we?
Oh, Ian, man, what are you doing?
You're getting too close. Nice one, that as well.
Up.
Whoa.
Shed.
Straight off. I'm so all over my head.
Loads more new growth as well than that. There's still tons under there.
This is beauty then, I see a couple of little ones there. 3. One there. Right. The size of them. That'll make some nice chips, wouldn't it?
Aye.
Whoa.
Sorry for the language, guys. Yeah, it can't be growing in the ground like. Next year though, guys, we do love these, we do love them a lot. But next year I want 50-50 split, I think. I do want to get some main crop in next year. These are first earlies. But these did that well last year. Then we wanted to grow them again.
Didn't like the Maris King Edward.
Maris probably better King Edward.
They were unusable. Like at least 90% of them were riddled with holes
worms and
oh, they were awful. I don't really like Maris potatoes to start off with.
how many is this now?
That's 5. Sorry, took that row out, didn't we?
Might do a little way as well, which we do have the steel around here. So we'll do a little way of these at the end. Conquer that.
Look at that one.
Massive. Definitely want chips in there.
Yes, boss.
That's the last one there.
I bet there's more underneath there.
Will be. Just getting the weed out. There's the seed. About to be more if I dig down further, but that will do for now. So there you have it. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a 5.
5, yeah.
5 plants. 5 sweet potatoes. All them there, guys. Get a couple of bigger ones out. Lovely. This guy's got big hands.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll do a little measure at the end. I'm going to give you a quick little tour in the garden. And bring you back in 1 second. Right guys, welcome back. As you just seen, potatoes up. We've been doing a little bit of weeding. Pinched Emma's sunglasses, don't say no. So just been doing a little bit of weeding, bit of tidying up before the guys come. I've got a pile down there for dip. This ground is absolutely solid. So, as promised, a little tour. So these are the last of the potatoes. I'm not sure when to take them out. So this area down here is going to change a lot in the next 2 or 3 months. So like we've got the rows of 2 beds here. 2 there. These middle ones are going to come out. And we're going to go 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 all the way down, so there'll be 10 of those. Not sure what to do with these 2 middle ones. Everything's grown well. These are our not so giant onions. We are pretty much out of this competition. So that's the resowing of carrots we did not long ago, a week or 2. See, the other ones all filled. Really, garden needs some attention. The areas are looking stunning now. Lovely. These are peas, courgettes, beans, pumpkins. The parsnips are looking well. The apple tree, guys, you know where that came from. So yeah, we're getting plenty of beans now.
There's loads on there.
Oh, coming on. Loads of them. Mostly on the bottom.
Just starting to finally.
Broad beans. I'm going to harvest them maybe today, tomorrow.
Yeah, see them starting to dry up.
Noticed they're getting this. Looks like rust or some sort of red. It's red. When we throw it in, I can see that. And I'm sure we got a bit of black fly on there.
This is looking mint, isn't it?
Some absolutely stunning courgettes there, guys. I think this far one here is about finished. This one here. And the courgettes on there are almost marrows now. This is absolutely laden with flowers. Stunning. I love them flowers.
Beautiful, isn't it?
And then when they're finished, we'll get beautiful beans. Sunflowers. All doing well.
I didn't even get the big one in the shot there.
I thought I might have had them better, like, but they're quite shady there. These beds here are all finished for now. I'm going to get these replanted up soon. I've got a ton of overwintering stuff there from seed. You've just been looking at that, guys, in the sky.
Oh.
It looks like they've been having a race or something in the airplane doing loops. So yeah, these will be resown soon. Look at the size of that slug coming out of there.
Oh my god, no wonder they were getting eaten. That's spat off our cabbages. Looking for a dinner, that's what it is, looking for a dinner over there.
So sprouts doing well. Hopefully we'll get some good sprouts off them this year. We were just looking before the Romanescos. The plants look great, massive. But no hearts. Bloody caterpillar, white. And the buggers. Sweet corn. It's doing amazingly well. The three sisters are working. As you can see the beans. If you can see the beans climbing up.
Yeah, I think there's some beans on there now.
And we've got pumpkins underneath. And this pumpkin here, guys, that's massive. That's going to be a stump of that. Like his dad.
That's actually one here, look.
May have to trim that off here now just to give it a bit of a hand. These peas here are about finished, so we'll just rip them up. Might get them up today actually. Marigolds are all looking great. Sunflowers though, guys, these big ones.
They're dying back, aren't they?
I might deadhead them, so I'll go and get some pruners. We'll get these peas out because they're done. We'll get some pruners. We'll take the big heads off because there is a second and third heads on these other ones.
And we're going to leave them for a bit to dry out more, or?
Just let them dry and shed, I guess. It's a shame, but they're looking sorry. So we're looking there. Absolutely thousands of seeds.
Yes.
So Debbie and Dave from
Life is Content?
Life is Content, yes. I promised them some seed from the little Dorrit, so we'll keep ahead for them. Yeah, these sweet corn doing great. Tons and tons and tons and tons of them.
Starting to go brown now.
I mean, they're kind of be ready. Malcolm was saying his were going brown as well. There's no way they're ready.
Yeah. Well, it's going to go black though, isn't it?
The new P-frame, guys. Hundreds of them. I just went nuts with the pack. I just tipped them all in. Screw it. We've cut some of these back a little bit, not much. Went down a little today for the strimmer that was in this week's middle aisle, and apparently you have to reserve them. So we have reserved them. I think we're going to get it 25th. So a while. Greenhouses are doing great. The tomatoes are definitely better. Tons and tons of flowers on these cherries. The accordion. Not a lot of fruit. The rest of them are not doing too bad, considering what we had to start with early with all the blossom end rot and everything else we had to deal with. Greenhouse number 1. Aubergines. Tons of them, if you can see. I can hear something buzzing. I don't like buzzy things. Yeah, the peppers. So once this tunnel comes tomorrow, we're going to thin these out. We're going to get them in a new tunnel. I've just spied that. No, that doesn't look good, does it? I'm going to get that off. The watermelons are doing good. Only one on that plant so far. Can't really see any others. Them are the Cape gooseberries. They take over. So we'll make a bit of space in here for them once the tunnel's here. These are my favourite chilies. The jalapeno. Just don't eat them and rub your eye after. I know. Emma's hanging basket. Stunning that, guys. Look at it. These are my container carrots. Bit of an experiment. So these are sweet candle. Being watered every day, looking after them. Some overflow leeks. Them are Northern Lights, yes. So hopefully they turn out well. Next time you see that go around, guys, it's polytunnel. All these flowers here, we're going to have to move these today. I want them all moved. I want the potatoes moved. So I'm going to find another shady spot because they seem to be thriving in that shade. I'm going to move the apple tree. So we'll have all this area clear and free. I'm just hoping the lads have got enough space to work in because this tunnel is going to be close to the new one. fruitcake's going nuts. Strawberries all about done.
Trying to get some raspberries though.
In this tunnel. Look at the size of them. Marigolds, absolutely huge. Getting some good tomatoes. Like I said, this tunnel here is our saving grace for tomatoes this year. Tons and tons. It's gone. Yeah, tons of grapes, guys. Like I said, these were all the new seedlings I've done. They've just been in since Monday, so this is the 4th day for them. These are the ones I planted on the 1st, so hopefully they might recover. I think they were very wet, very wet. Well, yeah, tomatoes are looking good. These are cherries.
I got a grape in the corner.
Yeah, bunch of grapes here, guys, off the second vine. Massive bunch of grapes, that. There's not many on there. I think there's only 1 or 2 bunches, but that vine hasn't really done well.
We've even got a bunch on that one.
Sure.
Yeah.
These are the basket tomatoes. These are the ones I was looking forward to the most, the pear drops. So next year I think we're going to reconsider basket tomatoes. Either figure out a different way, because these dry out really fast. It's hard to keep them watered, and it's absolutely gone nuts, to be fair. It's supposed to be a trailing, and they are certainly not trailing, so you know. Spinning around this side, I think we've already been here. There's the bench for the new tunnel that needs a brush down and a bit of a wipe. So get that up the tits off the trees. So yeah, we're going to have a little bit of a tidy up, guys, and move these bits around, and
Sounds right.
the next time you see us, lads from KSB will be here, and
Aye, tomorrow.
exciting times. So thank you all for watching. Hit that subscribe, the like, the hype, all of that business, guys. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.